Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, February 22, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, February 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 22, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, February 22, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for February 22, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, February 22, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.